Why are there not more people talking about passive income with digital products? It feels like one of the best-kept secrets in the world of online business, but it shouldn't be. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it over and over again, even while you sleep, travel, or focus on your day job. This isn't a far-fetched dream, it's a tangible reality for countless creators. It's the simplest hustle that scales, and it's accessible to anyone with a computer and a good idea. You don't need a warehouse, a huge upfront investment, or a complex supply chain. In this video, I'm going to give you the complete blueprint. No fluff, no gatekeeping. Just a step-by-step guide. Here's how to start this week. But first, let's talk about the problem. Most side hustle advice you hear online, driving for a rideshare, delivering food, even high-skill freelancing, it all has the same fundamental flaw. You're trading your time directly for money. This means more work and less sleep. If you want to earn more, you have to work more hours. There's a hard cap on your income because there are only 24 hours in a day. It leads to burnout, and it's not a sustainable path to true financial freedom. You're building a second job, not a system that works for you. The goal is to break free from that time for money trap. You want to build an asset that generates income independently of the hours you put in. And that's where our solution comes in. The solution is to create and sell digital products. These are intangible goods that exist in a digital format. You create them once, and you can sell an infinite number of copies without any additional manufacturing cost. The entire process, from purchase to delivery, can be fully automated. This is the key to building a truly passive income stream. Now, you might be thinking, what kind of digital product can I even create? Let's dive into 4 popular and profitable categories that you can start with. First up, templates. People are busy. They will gladly pay to save time and effort. Templates do exactly that. Think about social media managers who need Instagram post templates, or students who want a pre-built Notion dashboard for organizing their studies. You can create templates for Canva, Notion, Google Sheets, website builders, or even presentation software like PowerPoint. The key is to identify a specific audience with a recurring task and create a template that simplifies it. You deliver a link to the template, and your work is done. Second, online courses. If you have a skill, whether it's coding, baking sourdough bread, playing the guitar, or mastering a piece of software, you can teach it. But don't get intimidated by the idea of a massive 20-hour course. Start with a micro course. Focus on solving one specific painful problem for your audience. For example, instead of a complete guide to Photoshop, create a course called Mastering the Pen Tool in Photoshop in 60 minutes. It's less intimidating for you to create and an easier purchase decision for your customer. You can use simple tools like Loom or ScreenFlow to record your screen and voice. Third on our list, printables. These are digital files that customers download and print themselves. This is a huge market on platforms like Etsy. Think of things like weekly planners, budget trackers, workout logs, coloring pages for kids, or even wall art. The beauty of printables is their simplicity. You can design them using free tools like Canva. Focus on clean, functional, and aesthetically pleasing designs. A well-designed budget tracker can become a bestseller because it solves a real, everyday problem for people. You simply deliver a PDF file. And fourth, presets. If you're a photographer, videographer, or even an audio producer, you've developed a unique style. You can package the settings that create that style and sell them as presets. For photographers, these are Lightroom presets. For videographers, they're called LUTs. This allows your customers to achieve a professional look with a single click. The before and after visual is an incredibly powerful marketing tool for this type of product. You're not just selling settings, you're selling a desired aesthetic, a shortcut to a professional result. Okay, so you have an idea. Where do you actually sell it? Let's look at 2 of the best platforms for beginners. First is Gumroad. Gumroad is incredibly creator-friendly. It's designed specifically for selling digital products. Setting up a product is ridiculously simple, and they handle file delivery and payment processing. Their fee structure is a flat 10% until you hit certain lifetime earnings milestones, at which point it drops. The big pro is its simplicity. The con? It doesn't have a built-in audience, so you'll need to drive your own traffic. Second is Etsy. While known for physical crafts, Etsy has a massive, built-in marketplace for digital products, especially printables and templates. The huge pro is its existing customer base. Millions of people are searching for products on Etsy every day. The cons are that their fees can be a bit more complex, with listing fees, transaction fees, and payment processing fees. You'll also want to optimize your listings with strong keywords to get discovered in their search. Now let's walk through the setup process. It's simpler than you think. First, make one high-quality item. Don't try to build a whole catalog at once. Focus all your energy on making one product truly excellent. Solve a real problem and polish it until it shines. This single, high-quality product will be the foundation of your entire business. Next, create your product page. This is your digital storefront. Use high-quality mock-ups to show your product in action. Write a compelling description that focuses on the benefits, not just the features. How will this product transform your customer's life or work? Set a fair price. Look at what similar products are selling for, but don't be afraid to price based on the value you provide. And the most crucial part, automate delivery. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy do this for you. Once a customer makes a purchase, the platform automatically sends them the link to download their file. This is the passive part of passive income. The system works for you 24/7 without any manual intervention. With your product live, how do you get your first customers? The simplest and most effective marketing strategy is to promote with a simple landing page and an email sign-up. Create a free, valuable piece of content related to your paid product. This is called a lead magnet. It could be a small checklist, a free chapter, or a mini template. Offer this for free in exchange for an email address. Now you're building an email list of people who are interested in what you have to offer. You can then email this list to tell them about your main product. This is how you build a direct relationship with your audience. Once you have a successful product, you can scale. Scale by bundling multiple products together for a higher price point. Scale by updating your existing products with new features, which you can then market to your existing customers. And scale by repurposing your content. A blog post can become a video, which can become a series of social media posts, all leading back to your product. I know this was a lot of information, but the path is clear. Create one great product. Set up an automated system to sell it, and build a small audience around it. That's the core of the entire model. Want a quick checklist to make sure you hit every step? I've created a digital product starter kit that walks you through this entire process, from idea to your first sale. Click the link in the description to grab the starter kit for free. Stop trading your time for money. Start building an asset that works for you. Download the kit and make your first passive sale this month.